Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we'll be talking about market recap. Now I know I haven't done these in a long time, but they're finally back. So if you do want to see any stocks in specific, please comment down below and I'll make sure to get to it on the next video. So let's get right into it. Alright, so first of all, let's look at the Nasdaq here. So Nasdaq, we've had 3 negative weeks, and last week we finally had a nice green candlestick, giving us all hope that this might be a nice little run on an upward movement. Fortunately, Monday was decent, but this Tuesday, market tried to continue its upward trend, as you can see here on the wick, but it completely failed. After 30 minutes, it completely flipped and making it a humongous red day. So, as you can tell, that's the 1 week. But if you go on the 1 day, it does not look good anymore. It was making that battle with the EMA, hoping we could beat it, continue up and fight that 50. But did not look that way. Turned around. So again, I think we're the shorts and the inverse plays looking good right now. Long plays, not so much. Here we go. Flip to the ES. Same thing again. Failed those battles with the EMA, mid Bollinger, and turned it around. Now, as you can see, the MACDs are crossed upwards, but they're nowhere near the zero. So I will not pay much attention to this. There's really no maybe support here in the 37.95, 37.90. So I'd expect this to continue up, and if it fails that, continue all the way to the previous bottoms. Let's check out Tkq and Sq, two of the ETFs that I do trade a lot. Again, it looks identical to the Nasdaq. Those key battles with the EMA failed. Now I did have a play on today, which, by the way, I like to do this a lot. I had a buy order here over the EMA in case the market did continue upward. I would take advantage of this little run here, as it would more than likely continue to the 50 SMA. But I also had a buy order if it failed, and I had a buy order on Sq, which made me most of my money that I did today. Again, guys, you guys got to remember, on these long runs, you have to remember that you're in a bearish market. The momentum is downward. So when you see these key levels being tested, more than likely they will fail. So if you want to do what I do, you can make a buy. So if it does continue, or you can make a buy on the short side, so you can win pretty much whatever happens. So that's one of the strategies that I use that I really like. Now let's take it to VIX. If you guys don't know what the VIX is, VIX pretty much measures the fear in the overall market. That's what I like to say. So VIX here looking good. MACDs are near zero. I wouldn't be surprised. You can see the red indicator is turning around. I'm making probably a cross later on. Here it's the 50. It's right on the 50. If it does get past that 50, it's going to continue up here to these highs, making the market go down, guys. So market overall not looking too hot after this Tuesday. Shorts and the inverse plays are the way to go at the moment. But again, you guys know the stock market, it can flip on you like this. So for all those bulls, hopefully this is just a correction and let the charts breathe and that turnaround continues to happen. But it's your job as a trader to stay prepared on either way, on whether it keeps continuing upward or if it's the short side of the play. Let's look at here of some popular stocks. Tesla. This is the 1 day. Again, failed the EMA. All these really look similar. As you can tell, Tesla looks like the Nasdaq, except Tesla, which this one's tricky because probably a lot of people bought over the EMA. Hopefully you brought your stop up as it went upward, so you didn't end up losing any money here, which is what I also recommend. As soon as you start making your profit and it's substantially up from where you bought, you grab your stop loss and you continue moving it up past your buy-in entry, hopefully, so that you can make some money, but at least get it to that place where you bought, so in case it does turn around, you don't end up losing anything. So they're all looking pretty similar, guys. MACDs crossed upwards, but again below the zero, and all the other chart indicators don't look good. So Tesla not too hot. Apple, same thing. Maybe for Apple, support at the 135, and if it doesn't support there, it cracks all the way to 129 and visit those previous lows. Let's take a look at Google. Now Google I really liked here when it crossed that 50. For anybody who did play, again, I hope you moved that stop up so you didn't lose any money, because now you'd like to see this right here, here, and up again. But if it loses that support here at the mid-Bollinger, crack all the way down to 2,200 or 2,100. So yes, guys, overall market not looking too good after this Tuesday. Shorts and inverses look like the way to go, but again, you never know with this market, so be prepared for both. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure you subscribe, drop a like button, as it always helps me out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.